inside of this Cognos report, let's say that we have some list, and let's say that this list is really good looking. We spent a lot of time making it, and now we want to use this list instead of our other reports. And we don't want to recreate this list each time, but we want to create this list only once inside of this report, and then just to reference to call this a list from other reports. It is possible to do that. We can also reference some other objects, for example, this image. It is also possible to reference the whole report. Here we have a report with the name report 1, and if I would reference this report 1 from some other report, I would actually add these 2 pages to that other report. Now, to show you all of this, I have prepared one empty report here. It has only one page, and that page is empty. And inside of that empty page, we will create some original content. For example, I will create one cross tab, and we will add some columns to that cross tab. I will add some months, years, and quantity. We can sort this column. So we have one original page. And now I want to add here everything from report 1. For that, we go here to pages. We have this icon here, report reference, and we will drag it to pages. We will then find our report 1. I will click on open, and report 1 is added. I also have this report 2. Instead of this report, I only have one page. Here I have one model visualization and one chart. We will also add this other report. So we will go back. Again, we will drag report reference to pages. And now we will find report 2. I will click on open. And I will also change that settings here inside of report to show you pages as tabs. This will make it easier to see what happened. I will now save this report, and then I will run it in HTML format. So we will see all of the pages as tabs. So we have this one original page that belongs to this report. Then we have pages from report 1. This is the first page, this is the second page, and then we have that one page from report 2. But here we can see that we have a problem. Modern visualization is not applicable in this case. So we cannot reference modern visualization, but we can reference charts. So we have to be careful about that. And then I will go back here to summary report. I will then add another page here. I will add just this normal page, and I will get into this page, and now we will reference those objects from this component reference report. Let us now go to summary report, and here inside the toolbox we will go to advanced section, and we will use this icon layout component reference. I will drag it here, and we will choose this option another report. We will click on these 3 dots to find that other report. We will go to my content, and here is our report component reference. I will click on open, and here we can see another problem. We can only reference a list but not an image. I wanted to reference both this image and this list, but it seems that it is not possible. So we will just reference the list. I will click on OK, and then we can run our report in HTML format. But we will get an error. And this error is because we don't have a data for this list. We need a query behind this list. So we will go back to component reference. We will go here to queries, and I will copy this query. I will go to summary report, to queries folder, and I will paste that query in here. And now I will run this report again, and this time this should work. We will be able to see, yes, we would be able to see a list in this last page. Now, if we go again to summary report to our page 2, and if we want to change something inside of this list, we cannot. We have to make changes in original reports. So we have to go here. I will go here to page 1. I will select, for example, this column, and I will just change background color to, let's say, yellow. We can also go to this report 1. We can select this column, and we can change background color to, let's say, this blue. And we will save this report. So I have to save report 1. I will save this component reference report. And now we can run again our summary report. So we will run HTML, and we will see now a difference. in this report 1 page 1 tab, we will see that we have a column with a blue color, and in page 2 we will see that we have a column with a yellow color. Now I want to show you one more thing. If we go back to summary report, and if we go here to pages folder, we won't be able to see here that report reference icon. And that's because if we go here to report, we have changed this setting here, view pages as tabs. We have to disable this. We have to go to no. And then if we go to pages, we will again see our report reference icon. So we have to be careful about that.